Villain Gaming says, "Hi sir, mutual funds monthly 1,000 investments for 2 years. How much of return I'll get?" See, this depends on fund to fund. You can safely assume about, when you're investing for 2 years, about 8 to 10% return. I'll tell you why. When you invest in the long run, the power of compounding works really well, and you may get about a CAGR of 12 to 13%. Some funds have given even 15% over a period of 15, 20 years. But then when you're investing for just 2 years, you never know. Market is at its peak now. 49,000 is not the level I am looking at. I think it is overpriced. In case if it crashes, you may lose your principal as well. So keeping that in mind, I don't recommend you to look at equity market for 2 years. In fact, equity market is for anything upwards of 4 or 5 years. See, those who trade, they gamble and they make some money, quick bucks, and eventually they lose all the money they make in the stock market. I'll tell you, not more than 0.5% people have made money in the stock market in the long run. Others have just lost money one or the other day. You're bound to lose it. So my suggestion, don't really get trapped by the stock market mafia, which is driving innocent people into the stock market. So if you're investing into mutual funds, very good, but look at 4 to 7 years investment horizon. If you're looking at 2 years, large cap mutual funds, good, but be very cautious. In case if the market crashes, even the large cap won't sustain those crashes. So even there you will see some downfall. Be very cautious about it. Prabhakar Shastri says, so whether it's good to invest in lump sum and equity fund and offer SWP, systematic withdrawal plan, at 8% for 7 to 8 years now. And that's a good idea, man. That's a good idea, because SWP is the best idea than dividend. I don't recommend people to go with dividend because you're paying taxes on your own money, whether irrespective of whether you make tax, a profit or not. So why do you want to do that? My suggestion is to go with SWP. That's better. Ashwija Bhatt is asking a question. Sir, I'm investing 11 to 12 mutual fund schemes, 25% large, mid, small cap, multi cap each. Okay, in different fund house AMCs through 5 apps. Oh my God. This is a bad approach. Very bad approach. I don't recommend anyone to do this. Ashwija, this is very bad. Have everything in one app. Don't have 5. Just one app. Okay? Remember, one app. 2, don't have more than 6 mutual funds. 8 is like maximum. You're not supposed to have more than 6. 8 is like worst case scenario. So choose just 6 or 8. Then whatever the money you want to invest, 50% into large cap. Okay? 20 into multi cap. 20 into mid cap. 10 into small cap. That's the ideal portfolio. You can probably, I'm sure you have watched mutual fund course on the Financial Freedom app. Please follow that. That's the ideal thing. Shamir says, bro, I'm new to investment. How can I invest my first investment? Hey, Shamir, I think people say that I want to be rich. Yeah. People say that I want to be rich, but they don't ask how. I'll tell you, there are no shortcuts to become rich. There are some secrets to become rich. And the secret is, if you want to be rich, you should be wise. That's why I keep saying, I don't promise you that I'll make you rich, but I promise you that I'll make you wise so that you can get rich. So if you want to start your investments, I want you to learn. To learn, you should have Financial Freedom app with you. I've given the link to download Financial Freedom app in the description box. Please download. I've got various courses on personal finance, and believe me, after watching these courses on Financial Freedom app, you will tell me that investing in stocks, investing in mutual funds is like easier than cooking at home. I'm telling you, this is the experience you will have after you watch my courses on Financial Freedom app. So without wasting much time, download Financial Freedom app from Play Store and start investing.